Alright, we're gonna hop straight into the video. I'm showing a few hairstyles for infants. My baby, she's actually 4 months. As you can see, I'm taking 2 elastic bands. I actually got them off of Amazon just to hold the ponytails in place. You don't want them to be too tight because baby's hair, you know, they're very fragile at this stage. Then I take the 2 bows and I place it on my baby's head. It's a really cute, fun hairstyle. It's fairly quick and easy depending on how your baby is. It was kind of hard getting her to stay still and content because she's so little, but it definitely worked out. That next hairstyle is actually very simple. If you do have a few headbands that you can get from Target or Walmart, a headband can really dress up an afro and it really makes her look really cute, really girly. So that was the next look. So I have this cute little bandeau that goes over my baby's head and I got it from Amazon. It's so soft, so nice, and it comes in so many colors. I really love this look a lot and she loves it as well. Alright, so this last look is similar to the first one. All I'm doing is parting the hair down the middle and then I'm putting the 2 bows on each side closer to her forehead. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, rate, subscribe, and share. Mwah.